Today I'm going to be going over how to change a cabin air filter in a 8th generation Nissan Sentra. We're going to hop over here to the passenger side, pop that door open, and it is located in the glove box. So we're going to pop this. Once we're in the glove box, you're going to squeeze one side, then you're going to squeeze the other side, and it does take a fair bit of strength to get these past. Then we're going to go under here. This is where it lives. There's a tab here. You pull. I get in here. That pulls that tab right there. This comes out. Notice that the airflow is down. So the airflow is coming here and then it goes into the car. That's important because these are directional. And this is actually surprisingly hard to get out without a tool. So grab yourself a screwdriver or a pry tool and pull this out. And you'll notice this is the side that has the dirt on it, and then the clean air comes out the back. So pull this out. I'm just doing this as an example. I have one on order. I was just kind of seeing how does this all go together. I like to put a mark on it. Oh, there are your part numbers. I'll also put a link in the description. But sometimes how they mark air filters is confusing. It'll either say this side up or it'll say airflow down. And it's just kind of confusing. There's videos about it, people complaining, but hopefully that helps. That goes in there like that. Then this guy goes in like so. Those guys fit into place there, and then this guy pushes. Should just click right in. Just click right in. Push and click. Well, there we go. Oh, nope. Why aren't you going to your home? Go. Man, that was kind of funny. This thing has to clip in just right. Otherwise, it is a pain in the butt. There we go. So you just have to push really hard right there. Once those guys are in place and that's in place, you got to wiggle and then just push to get that to pop into place. Then we're going to zoom out here. We got this side, and then we're going to push this side into place. Boom. So yeah, those little holders are pretty hard. It actually takes a fair bit of strength to get that in. But that's how you change a cabin air filter in a Nissan Sentra. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, leave a comment. We'll see you next time.